Hi there, it's Teacher Daisy. One. Find the next number in the sequence. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. A. 30. B. 36. C. 49. D. 64. Answer. B. 36. The sequence is perfect squares of consecutive natural numbers. 1 squared equals 1, 2 squared equals 4, 3 squared equals 9, 4 squared equals 16, 5 squared equals 25. Next term, 6 squared equals 36. 2. Find the missing number in the sequence. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. A. 217. B. 215. C. 205. D. 235. Answer. A. 217. Let's look for a pattern. Term, value, relation. 1 to 2 equals 1 cubed plus 1. 2 to 9 equals 2 cubed plus 1. 3 to 28 equals 3 cubed plus 1. 4 to 65 equals 4 cubed plus 1. 5 to 126 equals 5 cubed plus 1. 6 to blank is equals 6 cubed plus 1. Compute. 6 cubed plus 1 equals 216 plus 1 is equal to 217. Check the difference pattern. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126 gives differences. 7, 19, 37, 61. Differences of differences. 12, 18, 24 gives increasing by 6. So next difference, 24 plus 6 equals 30. Next term difference, 61 plus 30 equals 91. And 126 plus 91 is equals 217. Therefore, the missing number is 217. 3. Fire, ashes, explosion, blank. A. Smoke. B. Sound. C. Debris. D. Light. Answer. C. Debris. Fire results in ashes as the remnant. Explosion results in debris as the remnant. Smoke, sound, and light are effects, but not the leftover result. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 4. The central bank unexpectedly raised its policy interest rate by a large margin. Which of the following is the most likely immediate effect? A decrease in consumer spending on durable goods. B. An immediate and sustained increase in bank lending to households. C. An instant and permanent reduction of the national budget deficit. D. A sudden boom in construction activity. Answer. A. A decrease in consumer spending on durable goods. When the central bank sharply raises interest rates, borrowing becomes more expensive, higher loan and mortgage rates. Consumers facing higher financing costs are likely to postpone or cancel purchases that require loans, cars, appliances, houses. B is wrong because higher rates discourage lending, not increase it. C is wrong because budget deficits don't instantly shrink. Government debt costs can even rise. D is wrong because construction activity usually slows when borrowing costs rise. Therefore, the most likely immediate effect is reduced spending on durable goods. 5. In a certain code language, bring is coded as C, P, L, J, L. Faint is coded as G, Y, L, J, Y. What is the code for cloud? A. DKRQI. B. DJRQI. C. EJRQI. D. DJRPI. Answer. B. DJRQI. From the examples Bring gives CPLJL and Faint gives GYLJY. The pattern follows positional shifts. First letter, +1. Second letter, -2. Third letter, +3. Fourth letter, -4. Fifth letter, +5. Applying this to cloud, C plus 1 equals DL minus 2 equals JO plus 3 equals R. U minus 4 equals Q. D plus 5 equals I. So, cloud gives D, J, R, Q, I, which corresponds to option B. 6. Here are some words from an artificial language. Lupatak means bright star. Takor means starlight. Lupador means bright sun. Which word could mean sunlight? A. Dorgor. B. Tiklupa. C. Garupa. D. Darupa. Answer. A. Dorgor. From the given words, Lupatak, bright star, Takgor, starlight, Lupador, bright sun, we can see the following meanings. Lupa means bright. Tak means star. Gor means light. Dor means sun. To form sunlight, combine the words for sun, which is dor, and light, which is gor. Dor plus gor equals dorgor. 7. A is the brother of B. B is the sister of C. C is the mother of D. D is married to E. And D and E have a child F. How is A related to F? A. Father. B. Grandfather. C. Granduncle or great-uncle. D. Uncle. Answer. C. Granduncle or great-uncle. A is the brother of B, and B is the sister of C, so A and C are siblings. C is the mother of D, so A is the uncle of D, because A is sibling of D's parent. D is the parent of F, and A, uncle of D's one generation above D's children. So A is the granduncle, also called great-uncle of F. 8. Find the next number in the sequence. 5, 14, 30, 55, 91. A. 132. B. 140. C. 149. D. 154. Answer. B. 140. Write the sequence and compute digit-by-digit differences between consecutive terms. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 30 minus 14 equals 16. 55 minus 30, 25. 91 minus 55 equals 36. Now look at those differences. 9, 16, 25, 36. These are perfect squares. 9 equals 3 squared. 16 equals 4 squared. 25 equals 5 squared. 36 equals 6 squared. So the pattern is, each step you add consecutive square numbers, starting from 3 squared, then 4 squared, then 5 squared, and so on. Therefore, the next difference should be 7 squared equals 49. Add that to the last given term, 91 plus 49 equals 140. Correct answer, 140, which is option B. The next term follows the growing pattern of adding consecutive squares. 9. Book is to library as artifact is to A. Museum. B. Gallery. C. Archive. D. Exhibition. Answer. A. Museum. A book is kept and preserved in a library. Similarly, an artifact is kept and preserved in a museum. Gallery, place for displaying art, not necessarily artifacts. Archive, collection of documents, records, not physical artifacts. Exhibition, event or display, not a permanent home. Therefore, the correct answer is A. 10. Fact 1. All dogs have tails. Fact 2. Some dogs are brown and others are black. Fact 3. Beagles are dogs. If the above statements are facts, which of the following statements must also be true? 1. All beagles have tails. 2. Some beagles are brown. 3. Beagles have no tails. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. None of the statements is a known fact. Answer: A. 1 only. From fact 1, all dogs have tails. From fact 3, all beagles are dogs. Therefore, all beagles have tails. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2, some beagles are brown. We don't know the colors of beagles. The facts only say some dogs are brown, not necessarily the beagles. Statement 3, beagles have no tails. This contradicts fact 1. Hence, only statement 1 must be true. 11. In a singing competition, 5 contestants, Anna, Bella, Carla, Diana, and Ella, are ranked based on their performance. Anna scored higher than Carla, but lower than Bella. Diana scored lower than Carla. Ella scored higher than Bella. Who ranked third among the 5 contestants? A. Anna. B. Bella. C. Carla. D. Diana. Answer: A. Anna. From the clues: Bella greater than Anna, greater than Carla, Carla greater than Diana, Ella greater than Bella. Combine all. Ella greater than Bella, greater than Anna, greater than Carla, greater than Diana. Order from highest to lowest. First is Ella, second is Bella, third is Anna, fourth is Carla, fifth is Diana. Therefore, Anna ranked third. 12. Find the next term in the series 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, blank. A. 150. B. 216. C. 225. D. 343. Answer: B. 216. Step 1. 1 equals 1 cube, 8 equals 2 cube, 27 equals 3 cube, 64 equals 4 cube, 125 equals 5 cube. Step 2. The pattern is cubes of natural numbers. Step 3. Next term, 6 cube equals 216. Correct answer: 216, choice B. 13. The city government reported that public library attendance increased by 18% during the past year after the introduction of free weekend educational programs. Several community leaders described the initiative as one of the most beneficial projects implemented in recent years. Which of the following is an inference based on the statement? A. Library attendance increased by 18%. B. Free weekend programs were introduced. C. The programs may have increased attendance. D. The initiative is highly beneficial. Answer: C. The programs may have increased attendance. An inference is a conclusion that is not directly stated, but can be reasonably drawn from the information provided. Option A. Library attendance increased by 18%. This is directly stated in the passage. Fact. Option B. Free weekend programs were introduced. This is also directly stated in the passage. Fact. Option C. The programs may have increased attendance. The passage does not explicitly say that the programs caused the increase. However, since attendance rose after the programs were introduced, it is reasonable to conclude that the programs may have contributed to the increase. Inference option D. The initiative is highly beneficial. This is an opinion or evaluation rather than a verifiable fact. Judgment. Therefore, the statement that represents an inference is C. The programs may have increased attendance. Tip. A fact is directly stated and can be verified. An inference is a logical conclusion based on the given facts. A judgment is an opinion, evaluation, or belief. 14. Fact 1. All project managers prepare project plans. Fact 2. Some project managers are software developers. Fact 3. All software developers write code. If the first three statements are facts, which of the following statements must also be a fact? 1. All project managers write code. 2. Some project managers write code. 3. All software developers prepare project plans. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. None of the statements is a known fact. Answer. B. 2 only. From Fact 2, some project managers are software developers, and Fact 3, all software developers write code. It follows that those project managers who are software developers write code. Therefore, Statement 2 is definitely true. Statement 1 is not guaranteed because only some project managers are developers. Others might not write code. Statement 3 is not supported. Fact 1 says all project managers prepare project plans, but it does not say all developers are project managers, so we cannot conclude 3. Therefore, the correct answer is 2 only. 15. The government has announced free training programs for unemployed youth. Assumptions. 1. The youth are interested in acquiring skills. 2. Training will help unemployed youth get jobs. Question. Which assumption S are implicit? A. Only assumption 1 is implicit. B. Only assumption 2 is implicit. C. Both 1 and 2 are implicit. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is implicit. Answer. C. Both 1 and 2 are implicit. Step 1. If the government starts free training, it assumes that the youth are willing to acquire skills. Assumption 1 is implicit. Step 2. The purpose of training is to make them employable, so assumption 2 is also implicit. Step 3. Therefore, both assumptions are valid. Correct answer. Both 1 and 2 are implicit. 16. Statement. The school has decided to allow students to use tablets in class to enhance learning and make lessons more interactive. Assumptions. 1. Some students may find lessons boring without interactive tools. 2. Tablets will automatically improve students' academic performance. 3. Students are familiar with using tablets. 4. The school believes interactive tools help learning. A. Only 1 and 4 are implicit. B. Only 2 and 3 are implicit. C. 1, 3, and 4 are implicit. D. All 1, 2, 3, and 4 are implicit. Answer. C. 1, 3, and 4 are implicit. Assumption 1. True. The school's move implies that lessons may not be engaging enough. Interactive tools are needed. Assumption 2. False. The statement talks about enhancing learning and interactivity, not guaranteeing better performance. Assumption 3. True. The school assumes students can handle tablets. Otherwise, the policy would fail. Assumption 4. True. The school believes interactive tools improve learning. That's why the policy was introduced. Logical flow. Decision gives implies recognition of student engagement issues. 1. belief in student capability with tablets 3, and belief in interactive learning 4. Guaranteed academic improvement 2 is not assumed. 17. Which letter comes next in the sequence? A, C, F, J, O, blank. A, P, B, S, C, T, D, U. Answer: D, U. Convert letters to their positions in the alphabet. A equals 1, C equals 3, F equals 6, J equals 10, O equals 15. So the numeric sequence is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Look at the differences between successive numbers. 3 minus 1 equals 2, 6 minus 3 equals 3. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 15 minus 10 equals 5. The differences are 2, 3, 4, 5. They increase by 1 each step. Continue the pattern. The next difference should be 6. So the next number is 15 plus 6 equals 21. Convert 21 back to a letter. 21 is U. Therefore, the next letter is U, which is option D. 18. Fact 1. All jackets have sleeves. Fact 2. There are leather jackets and denim jackets. Fact 3. Bomber jackets are jackets. If the first 3 statements are facts, which of the following statements must also be a fact? 1. All bomber jackets have sleeves. 2. Some bomber jackets are denim. 3. Bomber jackets have no sleeves. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1, 2, and 3. D. None of the statements is a known fact. Answer: A. 1 only. Step 1. All jackets have sleeves. Fact 1. Step 2. Bomber jackets are jackets. Fact 3. Step 3. Therefore, all bomber jackets must have sleeves. Statement 2 cannot be proven because we don't know if bomber jackets are denim. Statement 3 is false because it contradicts fact 1. So the correct answer is 1 only. 19. Rena starts facing east. She walks forward 12 meters, then turns left and walks 7 meters. She then turns left again and walks 12 meters. After which, she turns right and walks 3 meters. Finally, she turns right and walks 7 meters. Which direction is Rena facing at the end? A. North. B. South. C. East. D. West. Answer: C. East. Step 1. Start facing east. Step 2. Walk 12 meters, still east. Step 3. Turn left, now north. Walk 7 meters. Step 4. Turn left, now west. Walk 12 meters. Step 5. Turn right, now north. Walk 3 meters. Step 6. Turn right, now east. Walk 7 meters. Final direction, east. 20. Fact 1. All smartphones have touch screens. Fact 2. Some smartphones are made by Tech One. Fact 3. All Tech One devices can connect to Wi-Fi. If the first 3 statements are facts, which of the following statements must also be a fact? 1. All Tech One smartphones can connect to Wi-Fi. 2. Some Wi-Fi enabled devices are smartphones. 3. All smartphones are Tech One devices. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Answer: B. 1 and 2 only. Step 1. Review given facts. All smartphones have touch screens. Some smartphones are Tech One. All Tech One devices can connect to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Analyze each statement. 1. All Tech 1 smartphones can connect to Wi-Fi. True, since all Tech 1 devices including their smartphones connect to Wi-Fi. 2. Some Wi-Fi-enabled devices are smartphones. True, Tech 1 smartphones are Wi-Fi enabled, so some Wi-Fi devices are smartphones. 3. All smartphones are Tech 1 devices. False, only some are, not all. Step 3 conclusion. Only statements 1 and 2 must be true. Final answer, 1 and 2 only, which is choice B. 21. Study the statements and determine which conclusion logically follows. Statements. All engineers are graduates. Some graduates are managers. No manager is an intern. Conclusions. 1. Some engineers are managers. 2. Some graduates are not interns. A. Only 1 follows. B. Only 2 follows. C. Both 1 and 2 follow. D. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Answer. B. Only 2 follows. A syllogism tests whether a conclusion must be true based only on the given statements. Conclusion 1. Some engineers are managers. We know. All engineers are graduates. Some graduates are managers. However, there is no information connecting engineers to the graduates who are managers. Therefore, we cannot conclude that some engineers are managers. Conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2. Some graduates are non-interns. We know. Some graduates are managers. No manager is an intern. Therefore, those graduates who are managers cannot be interns. Thus, at least some graduates are not interns. Conclusion 2 follows. Therefore, conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2 follows. Correct answer, B. Only 2 follows. 22. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are being promoted worldwide. R. They help reduce dependence on fossil fuels and lower environmental pollution. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Answer. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. True. Governments and organizations worldwide are promoting renewable energy. Reason. True. Renewable energy reduces fossil fuel dependency and environmental pollution. Link. This is exactly why renewables are promoted. The reason directly explains the assertion. Therefore, the correct answer is A. 23. In a class of 50 students, 30 are boys and the rest are girls. If 20% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed an exam, how many students passed in total? A. 14. B. 18. C. 20. D. 22. Answer. A. 14. Step 1. Find number of boys and girls. Boys equals 30. Girls equals 50 minus 30 equals 20. Step 2. Calculate how many boys passed. 20% of 30 equals 20. Divide it by 100 times 30 equals 6 boys passed. Step 3. Calculate how many girls passed. 40% of 20 equals 40. Divide it by 100 times 20 equals 8 girls passed. Step 4. Total passed students. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Answer. 14, which is the choice A. 24. 5 employees, Anna, Brian, Carla, David, and Ethan, are ranked from first highest to fifth lowest based on their performance evaluation. The following information is known. Anna ranked higher than Brian but lower than Carla. David ranked lower than Brian. Ethan ranked higher than Anna. Carla did not rank first. Who ranked second? A. Ethan, B. Anna, C. Carla, D. Brian. Answer: C. Carla. Let's analyze step by step. From 1, Carla greater than Anna greater than Brian. From 3, Ethan greater than Anna. So far we have Carla and Ethan are both above Anna. From 2, David is below Brian. So the lower part must include Brian and David, with David lower than Brian. Since Carla is above Anna but cannot be first, someone else must be first. Ethan is above Anna and has no restriction preventing him from being first, so Ethan is likely first. Now arrange consistently. First, Ethan. Second, Carla. Third, Anna. Fourth, Brian. Fifth, David. All conditions are satisfied. Therefore, Carla ranked second. Correct answer: C. 25. The number of students in 5 classes of a school are in the ratio: Class A, Class B, Class D, Class E equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. If the total number of students in all 5 classes is 400, how many students are there in Class C? A. 80, B. 100, C. 120, D. 150. Answer: B. 100. Step 1. Total parts in the ratio. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 equals 20 parts. Step 2. Value of one part. Total students equals 400. One part equals 400. Divide it by 20 equals 20 students. Step 3. Students in Class C. Class C equals 5 parts, gives 5 times 20 equals 100 students. Answer: 100. 26. In a company of 400 employees, 60% are males. Out of the males, 40% are in the technical department. How many male employees are in the technical department? A. 80, B. 90, C. 96, D. 120. Answer: C. 96. Total employees equals 400. Males equals 60% of 400 equals 0.6 times 400 equals 240. Technical department males equals 40% of 240 equals 0.4 times 240 equals 96. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 27. A survey of 500 employees in a company shows the following: distribution of transport used to commute to work. Car, 180 employees. Bus, 120 employees. Train, 100 employees. Bicycle, 50 employees. Walking, 50 employees. What percentage of employees use either bus or train to commute? A. 40%. B. 44%. C. 46%. D. 48%. Answer: B. 44%. Employees using bus or train. 120 plus 100 equals 220. Total employees surveyed equals 500. Percentage equals 220. Divide it by 500 times 100 equals 44%. Therefore, the correct answer is B. 44%. 28. Find the next number in the sequence: 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42. A. 54, B. 56, C. 60, D. 64. Answer: B. 56. Observe the sequence carefully. List the differences between consecutive terms. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 20 minus 12 equals 8. 30 minus 20 equals 10. 42 minus 30 equals 12. Notice the differences form an arithmetic progression. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 gives increases by 2 each time. Predict the next difference. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Add this to the last term to get the next number. 42 plus 14 equals 56. Answer: 56. 29. The city government announced that starting next month, private vehicles will not be allowed to enter the downtown area during peak hours to reduce traffic congestion. Which of the following is an underlying assumption of the statement above? A. Most traffic congestion in the downtown area is caused by private vehicles during peak hours. B. Public transportation can fully accommodate all commuters who currently use private vehicles during peak hours. C. Traffic congestion only occurs during peak hours. D. The city government has already received unanimous support from residents regarding the policy. Answer: A. Most traffic congestion in the downtown area is caused by private vehicles during peak hours. The statement proposes banning private vehicles during peak hours to reduce traffic congestion. For this action to effectively reduce congestion, it must be assumed that private vehicles are a major contributor to the congestion during peak hours. Choice A is necessary because if private vehicles are not a major cause, then banning them would not significantly reduce traffic. Choice B is too strong because the statement does not require public transportation to fully accommodate everyone. Choice C is incorrect because congestion could also occur outside peak hours. Choice D is irrelevant to whether the policy would reduce congestion. 30. A man starts from point P facing north. He walks 10 kilometers forward, then turns left and walks 7 kilometers. He then turns left again and walks 10 kilometers. Finally, he turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Question: in which direction is he now from the starting point P? A. North. B. East. C. South. D. West. Answer: D. West. Start P00 facing north. Step 1. Walk 10 kilometers north, give 0, 10. Step 2. Turn left west, walk 7 kilometers, gives -7, 10. Step 3. Turn left south, walk 10 kilometers, gives -7, 10. Step 4. Turn right west, walk 3 kilometers, gives -10, 0. Final position is 10 kilometers west of P. Answer: west.